You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing words, names, vocabulary, medical terms and more. Many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Vomited, stress on the first syllable, that's how it's said in British English. Vomited. In American English, it's usually pronounced as vomited, vomited. And now you know. Like this video if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me immensely, and more videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.